Good day, everyone. Today, let's talk about presenting data in tables and constructing tables in your research paper. I'm Dr. Florence Pagaduan Alicante at your service. Data table is the easiest way to organize data. So it is made up of columns and rows where you place your data as well as your headings. In most data tables, the independent variable is in the column to the left, and the dependent variable is across the top of the table. For instance, in this table, what is our independent variable or IV? It is the type of fertilizer, and type of fertilizer is situated in the left column of the table. Also, our dependent variable or DV is situated across the top of the table, which is the height of plants. Here are some guidelines for making tables. 1. Explain the general significance of the data in the table. This means that explain only what are the data in your table. Number 2. Simplify the table data down to just that amount of data that illustrates your point. Number 3, don't put the word or abbreviation for the unit of measurement in every cell of a column. Just like 0.05 millimeter, 0.05 millimeter, 6.15 millimeter, 2.10 millimeter is a great no-no. So what is correct? Is put the abbreviation in parentheses in the column or row heading. Just like this one, height of plants, close and open parentheses, millimeter. And then, do not write any more millimeter in every column or cell of your table. Next is write or decimal align numbers in the columns just like our example here. So the decimal point should be in a straight line. Normally, words in columns are left justified just like our types of fertilizer. Column headings are centered over the columns of numerical data, forming a T shape, just like our height of plants in millimeter. But when the table contains text rather than numbers, the column headings are left aligned, just like types of fertilizer. For scientific paper, use APA table. What is APA table? APA table uses only horizontal line borders. So there's no vertical line. All are horizontal lines, just like our example on the screen. And the spacing must be double. Activity time. Before I teach you how to construct tables in your research paper, don't forget to click like and subscribe. This time, I will show you how to construct APA table or American Psychological Association table. An APA table consists of a table number, table title, and a table body. Table 1 is an example of a table number, and the table number is written above the table title in bold font. So our table number here is not yet in bold font. So let us highlight and then click B to make it bold. And then our table title is not yet italicized because the table title should be written below the table number in italic title case. So highlight and then click I to make it italicized. Click enter and then click insert table, and then you choose now how many rows, how many columns you would like. And for me, I choose 8.5 table. Okay, so in the first column on the upper row, you write the independent variable, which is types of gray water. Okay, and then under the types of gray water, we type water only, which is the control group. And then we have the GW1 or the gray water one, which is the dissolved champion detergent powder in a glass of water. And then another gray water type is GW2, which is dissolve surf detergent powder in a glass of water. Next is we have to merge these two cells, highlight, right-click, merge cells. Okay, and then in the upper row of your body table, you highlight also the cells, right-click, merge cells. Okay, insert, home, and then center. And then we write here now the dependent variable, which is the height of mung beans or mung plant in centimeter. So open and close parenthesis, centimeter. And then below, we write here now the days where we will observe the growth of mung plant from day 1 up to day 7 if we like to observe up to day 7. So this depends on you. Okay, day 6, and then finally we have day 7. Okay, so we are now ready to type our quantitative observations. So say, for example, in day 1, you observe that the growth of mung bean is just 0.12 centimeter. Under GW1, it is 0.13 centimeter. And then for GW2, it is 0. Say, for example, 13 centimeter also. And then for day 2, you observe to be 0.56 centimeter. For GW1, 0.57 centimeter. For GW2, 0.58 centimeter. These are just fictitious quantitative data just to show you how to construct an APA table. So for instance, this is 1.22, and then we have also 1.25. And then for day 4, for instance, we have 2.50 or 68 centimeters, 2.70 centimeters, and then we have 2.50 centimeters. And then for day 5, for instance, underwater, we have 3.12 centimeters. And then for GW1, we have 3.00 centimeter. And then for GWT2, we have 2.99 centimeter. And then for day 6, for instance, we have 3.90 centimeter. For GW1, it becomes now 3.75 centimeter. For GW2, it becomes now 3.25 centimeters. And then lastly, for day 7, say for example, it becomes now 4.50 centimeters. For GW1, it becomes 4.75 centimeters. And for GW2, it becomes now 4.78 centimeters. Okay. Next is we have to highlight this table because the data are typed in italicized. So the body table, it should not be italicized. So let us not italize them. And then let us center the data here, okay, by highlighting the cells and then click center. Okay, so we are now through with the table, but it's not yet an APA style. So we have to convert it, highlight, and then click this one, line and paragraph spacing first. And then you may choose 1 space, 1.5 space, or double space, depending on the requirement of the institution or school where you will submit your research paper. But mostly, most institutions require it to be double space. Okay? So let us now convert. Highlight again the table and then you click these borders. Click no border. Okay. And then click highlight, I mean this first row. Okay, this first row of the body's table, click borders and then choose top border. And then highlight again day 1 up to day 7. Click again borders and then choose top border. And finally, click also this one, the lower rows. Okay, highlight and then click borders again. This time click bottom border. Okay, so there. This is an example of an APA table. There's no vertical line. What you see is just a horizontal line. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to watch more videos. For more information, you may visit these references. Credits are also given to the following listed on the screen. Have a great day.